In this video, we're going to be talking about my progress with Konmari in my craft room, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Okay, I have to admit it's been tough. I have not made the progress that I've wanted to. One, there's a time factor. I have 6 kids, but also it's taking so much more time than I thought it would. Plus, it's really hard. It's a hard thing to do, especially when you have 20 years of stuff that you've accumulated. It's tough. Okay, I'm going to show you the before. This is the before that I'm comfortable putting on the internet. Let me just tell you that it was a little bit worse before. I didn't do that much, but I vacuumed, I closed cupboards, I neatened piles, etc, etc. It just sort of made the mess a little bit neater. And I did do a little bit of sorting. There was actually a suitcase right in the middle of the floor. Yeah. This is non-Instagram worthy. This is real life. This is the real me. I'm messy. I have a lot of stuff, but I want to change that. I want to be able to come in here and just know where everything is and be able to find it fast. I want to get rid of the stuff that I'm not using. There is stuff in the back of drawers that haven't seen the light of day since, well, probably a year or more. The thing with me is I am super organized, but I am not very tidy. I think the biggest thing that I struggled with was being consistent. I tried doing 15 minutes a day, but that was too easy to say, oh, it's only 15 minutes, tomorrow I'll do a half an hour. But that didn't work. I just didn't do the next day either. Oh, I'll do 45 minutes. No, it didn't work. I need to do it every day and make it habit, or I just didn't do it at all. And I was very consistent there. For 2 weeks I was doing a half an hour because it was crazy. I didn't realize what a big of a job it was, and I still have only made a small dent. So for me, I really think that at least 30 minutes a day, like she says in the book, you need to do it all at once. You can't do it over time because then the clutter just starts to creep back in and it just makes a bigger job for you to do in the end. So I need to keep going and make this a priority. 30 minutes a day is basically all I can give because I do have 6 children. I have a lot of things on my plate, but that's the only way that I'm going to be able to do this. But it really is taking a long time and it's not fun. It's not fun. But I have to say, once I got started, it was really contagious. When the time went off after 30 minutes or I'd have to go pick up my kids, I was excited to come back the next day and keep going. I'd see the progress. It was really nice to be able to walk around over here. I'll show you here in a little video. I didn't really do a before of this part, but you couldn't go around the other side of the desk, and now you can. And the thing is, like with any habit, if you skip a day or 2 days, then it is so much harder to get back on that horse. My kids were off on half term, so I didn't do much. And then the week after, the habit was gone. And so I didn't pick it up, and it just sat there waiting for me to come back to it. But I know that any big declutter like this, any kind of Konmaring or tidying, it gets worse before it gets better. So I'm hoping, I know it's gonna get better. I know that I can do this. I just need to put the time in. A lot more time than I thought I was gonna have to, but yeah, it's coming, it's coming. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of the progress. Let's have a look, shall we? Okay, these are some empty things. There's a bag there for giveaway, stuff that still needs to be put away. So, and then over here, this is where I've been sorting. So this garbage, stuff to give away, stuff to put away. At least that corner over there is looking a little bit better, but like everything's open and I'm putting stuff where they belong, but oh, it's crazy. And then to get to my desk, I need to like step over all this stuff. There's a box right in the middle. This is the only place that's halfway clear because I haven't started here yet. Let's look at it over here. So this is after 3 days and a half an hour each day. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. But yes, it has to get worse before it gets better. And this is how it looks today, or basically how it looks today. Okay, so here is the progress so far. There's still lots to do. None of the drawers have been touched, but at least you can see the floor. So let's start here. This is stuff that has been sorted to go out. I just haven't gotten rid of it yet. I haven't touched the shelves at all, but I will get there. I did vacuum before this. I started this desk, but you can see this is where I film. This part here is behind me, so that has to stay clear, but the other half is still full of junk. It's getting there. I didn't really do over here much at all, but I did all the stuff that was here on the floor. So all that's done, except there's a few boxes. This stuff over here is memorabilia that has to get put away. But over here, this was piled high with boxes. I went through everything, got rid of so much. And now you can walk to the back end of my desk and come out on the other side. So there's still lots to do, but it just makes such a difference. But I noticed that even though I have a clear desk now, when I'm working, I do not tidy up after myself, and that is a big part of why there's so much clutter. So I'm going to work on that next. Okay, I'll go and give you a quick little tour around so you can see the other side. But like, I can walk. There's floor space. Okay, and so there it is. Nice and tidy. Well, tidier anyway. It's a lot better. It really is. Now that I think about it, I'm comparing the before and the after, there's such a difference. But at the same time, I can see where I want it to be and it's still not there. I want to be able to switch this desk. There's two desks back to back, and I want to flip them over and then have all these cupboards sort of cleared out so that there's less junk, less clutter. Have you joined my decorating class? Class starts tomorrow and I could not be more excited. We are going to jump in and you are going to learn how to decorate your planner so that every week it looks fantastic. Every spread you make, you love. And if there's something that's a little off, you're going to know how to fix it. So if you have ever struggled with decorating and having a page not turn out the way you want it, then this class is for you and you need to make sure that you are signed up. The link is in the description below and I will see you in class tomorrow. If you like this video, you can subscribe because I will come back when I'm done, because I thrive on external accountability. So if I know that you guys are waiting for me to finish this project of Konmari my craft room, then I will do it, and I need to do it. So subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you've read The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying. I love this book. I love it. I really do. Also, if you subscribe and hit that notification bell, you will know when my Wednesday video comes out, and it's going to be a good one. It is Traveler's Notebook Secrets. You don't want to miss that one. Okay. I honestly can't believe that I'm doing this. I'm putting my mess on the internet, but I want to show what real life is really like. This is it. This is gross. But this is the before. This is hopeful. This is no longer going to be what my room looks like, because I'm going to Konmari the heck out of this thing and get it to where I want it. Okay, so I'm just going to go through and show you a few things. These shelves look really pretty, but they don't actually function. They don't actually house the things that I want anymore. So I'm going to go through them all, take out what I don't need, and then reorganize. So I've already got a start. Down here on the floor are some things that I want to send away to people. Over there in the corner, my husband gave me this bag. I don't know what it is, and there's some boxes from Carpe Diem and Simple Stories, and I think this is the best place to start. Look, I've even opened drawers and used them as shelves because I had no surface area left. Piles on that surface, piles on the floor, piles in the corner. They need to go, they need to go, they need to go now. This side isn't so bad because I film here and this is always in use, so I'm pretty good at putting things away. Not as soon as I'm done, but on a regular basis. Look, there's even a light on the floor. He's supposed to live up here, so maybe that's the first thing I'll do is put my light back up. Give you a look of my view. This is what I want to be able to see. I want to be able to see all this green outside while I'm at my desk, so I'm going to switch those around. Here I have piles of scrapbook pages that aren't put away. Pile of mending, little pile beside the sewing machine, and there's even one underneath there. So yeah, that's it. That's the before. Let's get to it. I'll show you my desk. My desk is pretty messy because it's always in use. But yeah, this is the view from this side, and yeah, let's hope that I can get this into shape. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. You can subscribe here by clicking on my little face. Here are 2 videos that I think you will like. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.